Mastering Email Management Step-by-Step Tutorial. Hey there, fellow productivity enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the world of email management. Today, we have an exciting tutorial lined up for you, taking you through the step-by-step process of effective email management. This is Tech Task Masters, and let's get started. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly discuss why mastering email management is so important. In our fast-paced digital world, emails can easily overwhelm us, cluttering our inboxes and causing unnecessary stress. But fear not. We're here to help you regain control and boost your productivity. The benefits of email management. Why implementing effective email management techniques you can save time. No more spending hours searching for important emails buried in the abyss of your inbox. Reduce stress. Say goodbye to the anxiety of having an overflowing inbox. Improve focus. Clearing out your inbox allows you to concentrate on more important tasks. Enhance productivity. Organizing your emails ensures you don't miss important deadlines or opportunities. Step 1. Email triage. This is the initial process of quickly going through your inbox and prioritizing your emails. Here's what you need to do during the email triage process. Start with a clean slate. Archive or delete unnecessary emails that have been sitting in your inbox for ages. Identify urgent emails. Quickly skim through your inbox to find emails that require immediate attention, like time-sensitive requests or important deadlines. Categorize emails. Create folders or labels to sort your emails based on different criteria such as clients, projects, or personal and work-related categories. Step 2. Email organization. Once you've completed the triage, it's time to organize your inbox to ensure easy access to important information. Let's explore how you can effectively organize your emails. Create folders or labels. Organize your emails into specific categories to reduce clutter and improve searchability. Utilize filters and rules. Set up automated filters and rules to sort incoming emails directly into designated folders based on criteria you define. Use flags or stars. Mark emails that require follow-up or have high priority to ensure they don't get lost in the shuffle. Archive strategically. Archive emails that you might need for future reference but don't require immediate action. Step 3. Email prioritization. Now that your inbox is clean and organized, it's crucial to prioritize your emails effectively. Here are some techniques for prioritizing your emails. Implement the 4Ds technique. When reviewing emails, decide whether to delegate, defer, or delete them. Set up email filters for VIP senders. Make sure you never miss important emails from specific individuals by setting up alerts or notifications for their messages. Use time management techniques. Allocate specific time blocks in your schedule for email management, rather than continuously checking your inbox throughout the day. Bonus tips. We've covered the basics, but let's quickly share some additional tips to take your email management game to the next level. Here are a few bonus tips for you, and subscribe ruthlessly. Regularly and subscribe from newsletters, promotional emails, and subscriptions that no longer serve you. Utilize email templates. Save time by creating templates for common email responses or repetitive tasks. Avoid multitasking. Instead of constantly switching between emails and other tasks, dedicate focused time to handle emails efficiently. Regularly review and update. Schedule regular times to review and update your email organization system, ensuring it stays optimized. And there you have it, a comprehensive step-by-step tutorial on mastering email management. By implementing these techniques, you'll be able to regain control over your inbox and boost your productivity. Remember, practice makes perfect, so be patient and consistent. If you found this tutorial helpful, Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more productivity tips, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest content. As always, we love hearing from you. Share your thoughts, tips, and questions in the comments below. And until next time, stay organized and keep conquering your inbox.